Creating a will may feel overwhelming, yet it is an essential action for protecting your family's future. Consider the selflessness of this gesture. It prevents your loved ones from struggling with your decisions after you are gone. Each element you include in your will shapes a clearer path for your family, reducing possible disputes over your belongings. Understanding your intentions with each bequest allows you to create a meaningful legacy that reflects your values and memories. As you go through this process, remember that your voice is vital. Conveying your wishes can be a significant gift to those you care about. As you write, you're not just completing a legal form, you're creating peace of mind for yourself and your family. Begin by taking an inventory of everything you own. Collect all your items, both large and small, including your home, vehicles, financial assets, and treasured heirlooms. Your list should be thorough to ensure that no asset is disregarded, helping you clarify what you wish to pass on. Don't overlook digital assets, like online accounts or cryptocurrencies. These can have considerable value today. This detailed overview serves as the basis for making informed decisions about your estate. While compiling your list, reflect on the memories associated with each item. Let your feelings guide you in determining who should inherit them. Once you've categorized your assets, focus on selecting your beneficiaries. Think about the individuals who have positively impacted your life, family and close friends alike. Delve into how each person might appreciate or benefit from your belongings. This thought process leads to a more considerate distribution of your legacy. Every decision conveys a story, keeping your memories alive in the hearts of those you cherish. It's wise to communicate with your chosen beneficiaries regarding your intentions. Open discussions foster understanding and reduce future conflicts. Specify any items or amounts you wish to allocate to each person. Clarity at this stage can prevent confusion down the road. Also, contemplate whether you want to impose any conditions on specific inheritances. This can further clarify your desires, ensuring your wishes are honored. This phase is about more than just dividing possessions. It honors relationships and preserves meaningful connections. While making these decisions, don't hesitate to seek assistance from a legal professional if necessary. This helps to ensure every detail is addressed correctly and aligns with your wishes. Appointing an executor is another crucial step. This person will be responsible for implementing your wishes as you intended. Select someone you trust completely, as they will handle the complexities of your estate, manage legal matters, and communicate with beneficiaries. It's important to have an honest discussion with your chosen executor. Lay out your expectations and talk about any specifics related to your assets or desires. This dialogue encourages understanding and prepares them for their important role. Ultimately, creating a will is a powerful act that embodies your love and care for your family. It provides them with a clear guide as they navigate the challenges of loss. Your proactive efforts in this essential task can offer comfort and security, leaving behind a legacy of compassion and clarity that resonates for generations.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.